Hey guys, welcome to the Pixel Gallery widget tutorial. In today's video, we'll talk about the Flash Gallery widget. First, let's drag and drop the widget inside the page. The default interface shows an image grid with a fancy style, having an image in the middle, the title on the side with meta and description up and down. The items have hover animations that react and interact better with your audience. From the layout options, you can customize the grid template columns number and to rearrange the image items over the canvas. There are row gap, column gap, and item height scroll bars below. There are some switches below to show or hide certain elements from the gallery. There's also an image size option at the bottom. With the link option, you can select media file and then choose yes for lightbox and only button for link target to enable a linking option for the image items. But to find the option, you have to click on an image item first. As it opens inside a lightbox with an alluring entrance animation, you're going to find a read more button inside. Also, the lightbox close button is found at the top right corner. Even exiting the lightbox gives your visitors a second dose of creative animation effects, and you can't help but appreciate it. The next section is the items section. Here, all your gallery images are listed. For this demonstration, let's remove some of them right now. You may add more by clicking the Add Item button anytime. Now, click on any item box to get inside it. Here, you can customize the media type between image and video, then choose an image from your media library. You can see that the image appears in black and white. The colors appear on hover. Let's continue changing the image item title, then the description text, then the meta, read more button text, and custom URL for the item. Also, each item comes with an item hidden switcher that can hide the image item while occupying a blank space there. This adds a new style to your content. Alright, now redo the last couple of steps and finish customizing the rest of the items. Now we can switch to the Style tab to customize the interface of the image gallery. First is the title section. Let's select our title color from here. The titles appear in text stroke style and fill up with color for the hover effect. From the typography option, you can customize the font style with lots of variables available. After the titles comes the text section. For starters, change the text color to a deep black. You can adjust the margin to reposition the text. Also, adjust the max width to determine the text area. And lastly, customize the font style with typography. Next is the meta section. First is the text color option. Let's change the color. Skipping margin, then customize the font style to get a better match with the rest of the content. After that comes the image section. Here, start with a border by selecting a solid border and customizing the border width. Then set the border color. By default, there is a CSS filter activated over the content that only lifts upon hover. You may reset the filter to bring back the colors. Within the image section, you can go into the hover subsection to set a different border color. Next, go into the read more section. First, let's change the button text color to white, then set a background color. Set the border radius to 0 and customize the padding values to shape the background area of the button. Then click on any item and enter the lightbox view to check how it looks. It seems there's a default border here, so let's set the border to none. Then go for the typography customization to give the button font a new look. Also, don't forget to set different colors for the hover effect. The last section is Modal, which is divided into a couple of subsections. First, let's take care of the background color. Yep, pink it is. Also, select the same color for Overlay Reveal Color option. Then for the image subsection, change the border type to solid. Add some width values and change the border color to red for instance. Then go into the title subsection and set the title color to red as well. Here you might want to customize the font style to match the normal gallery interface. Then comes the text. Let's paint them black in color. And then continue to customize the typography option to change the font style. This might take a while to configure everything, but worth your time. Once the font looks good, let's switch to the close icon subsection and change the close icon color and hover color. Alright, now take a step back, minimize the control panel and look at the finished layout. That's how we can customize the Flash Gallery widget to create awesome image galleries in WordPress. That's all for now. Hope this video helped. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel to get updates on new tutorials and tips. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.